we want to make sure say your body go day bam, bam, bam. That means everything is going to be very, very okay. You know, when we are inside the bar, we have the sex pundits, the relationship pundits, the everything. This man are always ready to tell when I'm waiting, go help when a relationship day very okay. Well, whoever you are, who the guilty one is always the first to speak. So that means you know that MC Shakara is in the building tonight. So make some noise for MC Shakara. We don't want to get time. I want to go straight to the point today. Are you greeting them or are you not?
Okay, you want to go straight to the point?
Yes.
That's because you are guilty. You want to quickly vindicate yourself. So go try the point. I'm here.
Today I agree. He called me guilty. I take it. Hey. And I also have the innocent person who doesn't have any problem. Yes, that one did not speak at first, but you know he's the one that is innocent. Please make some noise for DEY.
Yes, for those who don't know, I don't show. We are here. Just watch.
Simple. Have you heard? Simple.
We're ready.
Not like Shakara wants to just fight this afternoon. I mean, this
You're
night,
always
sorry.
looking for
we don't have time. We don't have time.
You're always looking for
I'm looking for Wala.
Shakara, no,
you have seen Wala before.
Shakara, if I see Wala, I will run.
In the middle of crisis in ABU. From there, the first Kaduna crisis, I was in the middle.
So where we have been there?
So where we have been there? Where you were the fight Kaduna fight.
I fought the two Zango Kataf riots. I fought all the riots in Kaduna.
You fought.
Why you
How
say
old were you?
I was more than a team.
Did you pull a trigger? Can you pull trigger?
Look at this.
Hey! It's okay.
Have you heard that when Whiskey,
you
know say when Whiskey say, I don't like Wahala for that Babala song. Now him and Damikre can't get Wahala. In the end, be careful. Be careful. If you let me pull a trigger, then you will know. There is somebody we have. I told you we are going to have this guy inside the building. You always see him voice on top Wazobia 95.1 FM Lagos for the #1 rated show in the whole of Nigeria. The evening Oyoyo with Diplomatic OPJ and Sweetie. But I have the third leg of that show in the inside we building tonight. Make some noise for the one and only Pando. Pando. He not come here before, so it'll be the first time. So he's used to the back.
Mark, come on, class. Come like before somebody come in,
the first time Pando was on the show, that's the only time
you were not around.
You were not around.
Where were you, Shakara?
I was in Kuala Lumpur.
He went on
It's a place you can't know. Places you know is Dubai, America. UK.
So why would I
all
want
this
to go
new
to
generation boys?
What am I doing
why
in
are
Kuala
you making him
Lumpur?
feel so? I just prayed for him yesterday that he will go places. Did I mention any place
Who
like
is this
Dubai?
man? Are you a man of God?
My brother Pando.
Please, let's move on.
I'm sorry.
Pando, how was, you know, I know we have been discussing too many issues on radio. The country has too many problems.
Issues politicians, they always give us things to talk.
Too many budget wahala,
Nigeria, in
DSTV
fact,
problem.
No go that place.
No, we cannot. We are on good.
So they not the government. They talk about government.
Pando, no. Before you run away from government, is it true that the budget was a photocopy
of the previous one?
Of the previous one. Meaning that this budget, nobody writes anything, nobody budget anything. Somebody just go print, you know, and then change the dates.
What's your definition of photocopy? You see, this is a government that does not want to stress themselves. So if you already have it written, let's move on. What's the essence of stressing?
Or maybe this is a government that don't know much about it, so they don't copy whatever you have.
If what we had before worked with the system and the number of people.
So let's just use it, man.
No, we can't use it because we have more people. Because we have more people. You know how many children they born under bridge this year?
Okay,
that is why the amount is now 6 trillion.
They just added on top.
The figure increase.
Okay, the figure increase.
Yes.
But I have the one that I like when you guys were discussing. I came late on that show, but what PJ was. Sorry, I don't like to use that word. So I came late on that show. Sorry.
No, you are just coming late now.
It's good to come late.
It's good to come late.
Shakara, it's good to come late. If you come early, they might be disappointed at you.
So I keep.
So you can say you can come
late. I came late on that show.
Yeah,
so when
at times when you come late, you become very boring. You know, you just
understand because we know you don't waste your time.
You don't waste.
Why you always trying to vindicate yourself of this kind of situation? Coming late shows that you are man enough.
No, if I take this, you're coming late to another level. Have you ever been with a lady and in between times she was like, Come now. May no say, my friend, you are no longer having sex.
Because because you were having sex and not making love. That's the difference.
Then you are doing something else. No,
you are making love.
See, when you make love,
you will not tell you.
You go get excited.
Yes, now.
I never see person make love when person when the other partner will complain.
Can you make love for 5 hours? And it won't be boring to your partner.
No, why will you make love?
Depends on what you're doing.
For 5 hours for what?
It depends on what you're doing. You can be creative.
You want to come late.
Okay, let me even tell you. I can make love for 5 hours, and it's very simple.
You can be creative.
You do different things.
As you are making the love, you are making the love and bring ice cream.
No, okay, for example, you run go kitchen, carry ice cream, come back. Before you know, 30 minutes, don't go. You pour, bring honey, bring honey, then you lick it out.
You can do chocolate. What are you saying?
You know what?
Ice cream on human beings' body.
I was saying something about the political matter before you took me away and you're on this coming late. I was saying that when I hear for that on a show, when I talk one thing about say if the budget we don't fail like this way it fails, so say Buhari suppose don't sack and fire those cabinet people because
plenty people supposed to don't go
because they fail.
The budget don't fail. We can easily confirm that the budget is
yes.
fail.
No, the reason why I go say budget don't fail because if you look now, like the first time in the history of Nigeria when our National Assembly, now politics will deserve a BOBOS.
This is a BOBOS.
The first time for our National Assembly, now the National Assembly work.
Freestyle Friday. I wish it was tomorrow, and I said, but today we can say.
The first time when National Assembly work to the extent say then discover some kind of money inside budget where they say no
complain.
You get 500 billion where they somewhere where they complain. They shall say this 500 billion no get header. It just did there as the figure.
Let me tell you something.
No, that is miscellaneous.
Let me tell you. Even inside that budget, towards the ending, there's always miscellaneous. And let me tell you, when I was an engineer and working, no, I'll tell you something very true.
When he was a mechanic,
when he
was a mechanic,
not a mechanic. Those who know me back then in Abuja. Excuse me, don't cut this gist.
No, what do you read for?
I'm an engineering student. Excuse me. Oh, you don't realize.
Which of the engineer?
I'm a civil engineer.
You're a civil engineer.
Yes. So let me finish what I was saying. Now, I did a very big project. It's a federal government project called the Public Service Institute of Nigeria in Abuja. If you're going towards that, is DUSE. Those in Abuja, they know that was what I was working. I was working with the sitting governor then of Gombe State, which is Danjuma Goje. That was my boss, and the consultant company where they work with was Co-Plan. That was Namani Sambo.
What did you see they do here?
Wait, then there was this is passion. This is passion. Why I choose to do what I do. Now I know when I've been look our bill of quantity where you go write all the list of things where you want to do inside that listing.
Yes.
They had inside that you can call it budget now, but we call it bill of quantity. You understand? Where they put industrial AC. You know that industrial AC the way those one way there was no space in the whole project because I built like 8 of that system. The admin, the bank, the post office, the fire service, the shopping complex. I feel this I give you all these things. Now there was nothing we concerned.
Go chook money again.
Nothing way. So it was a means of what they were doing. They were slotting one like industrial ACs, plenty, and one industrial AC Jesus Christ is plenty millions. So times maybe 50. Now guess what? The person will be writes this bill of quantity. No, they work again for that ministry. So now we come. You understand? Now the man they call to tell me say. How far? Say, say for inside that thing.
Some things they were supposed to get.
Some
things they were supposed to get.
You understand? Where they supposed to get, you understand? And luckily, it was discovered in the end because I can't be a corrupt person. You understand? Right now, I've been a very big billionaire. But I'm not saying it that this is how it's incredible. By the time we come back from this, our street, we won't walk out, go here until the men won't talk. We will still continue. Our topic for today, I say, whether it did okay, make you make your partner date all your social media handles. We want to know, is it very okay? Make your partner date all your social media.
It's very okay. Before we go,
it's very not okay.
When we go on the streets, hear what our men want talk. I mean,
real
men. I don't mean Shakara, I mean real men.
Shakara the men.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.